You're at a point in your illustration and you realize you need to edit something in your 3D pose and you don't know how to do it. Let me help you out. The most important thing to remember is not to rasterize the 3D layer. If you have already rasterized it, I'm afraid you're going to have to bring in a new pose and start all over again. If you haven't, well, let's move forward. Start by selecting the layer which your pose is on. If you're unsure of yourself, like me, you'll make a duplicate of the layer by just dragging it into the new rasterized layer icon. Then, under the Layer Property tab, click on the button in the Tool Navigation section. Your pose is selected and you can make whatever edits you need. Let me know if this helped you out by commenting with the popcorn emoji. And until next time, have a popping good day.